Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project, I have no idea what it's going to look like. I genuinely don't. I'm starting with this and a piece of cardstock that I've cut. Now, I showed you this paper. This is the Beauty of the Earth paper. And I showed the full pack a couple of weeks ago, and I said, oh, that would make some great cards if you just cut down the middle. So that's what I'm going to do today. Well, actually, I'm going to make one card because, you know, watching me make 6 would be terribly boring. So where's my trimmer? Oh, it's here underneath my stamps and dies. So yeah, this is a full sheet of paper and I'm going to cut it down. Now I do have a piece of cardstock prepped in advance, which is my card blank, and what I want to do is get 6 panels out of this. So I'm going to cut straight down the middle and then that way to get my 6 pieces. Now I'm cutting mine to suit the size of my piece of cardstock, which is International A6 size when it's completed. So that's what I'm cutting down to. And that would leave me with that tiny little bit left over. Okay, little speckledy bits, not very much. So that's my first 2 bits, which, as you can see, exactly the right height to leave me a little border all the way around the top and the bottom. So therefore I'm then going to cut this one exactly how I know it will need to be. And I'm going to cut 3 of them because, you know, if I'm going to show you how to do it, let's show you how to do it. Again, I'm just cutting so that the width, look at that teeny tiny bit, there'll be 2 bits like that and that. It's all that's going to be left over. And that will leave me an equal border all the way round. So you know the kind of cardstock that you like to work with. This is going to work best of all on International A4, just because it is. Because of the sizing of everything, you can make 6. So I'm not gonna waste the paper because it's never wasted, but I'm not going to use up that. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to layer this down, and that can be my start point. And I have got Beauty of the Friendship, that would be a new stamp set, Beauty of Friendship, and my Beautiful Trees dies. Now the whole thing collects together. So I think I'm just going to take wording. Oh, which words? Friendship refreshes the soul, or you truly inspire me. I think I like that one. You truly inspire me. I am endlessly inspired when you guys share photos with me of the projects you make. I have my Facebook group, Pootles Craft Forum, on Facebook obviously, where people come along and share photos of projects of mine they're making. I grabbed Night of Navy because that was the bit of cardstock that I prepped, and I've just stamped it in the corner for no particular reason. I don't actually know why I've done that. Let's just chop a bit off as well. Yeah, you share photos with me frequently, which I absolutely love. That you do that for me. You share pictures of the projects, of my projects that you've gone ahead and made, and I just think thank you for doing that. Thank you for making my project and being inspired by me enough to make your own version yourself, but thank you for showing me. And then obviously people go on and share more photos. So I'm looking for a scrap of Night of Navy to go behind that. That'll do as a scrap. Let's get a straight edge, shall we? Let's try and straighten this off. There we go, and that'll sit over the top. So yeah, you truly inspire me. Okay, so I've got that on there. So I want to use these dies. So what other scraps have I got? I'm reckoning that's basic grey in there. Have I got any basic grey handy? Ooh, little bit of basic grey. And, ooh, some Merry Merlot. And what colour do we think that one is? I want to say soft suede. And I have a piece of that too. Yay me. So, okay. Clear the decks and cut that down a bit. So I'm going to get my plates. And what shape shall I do? Oopsie. This is pretty much, I'll pick that up, pretty much how I craft. I have no idea what I'm doing most of the time. And I just grab stuff and go, well, I wonder what that would look like. Where's my clear plate for the top? Where's that gone? Oh, over here. So, a bit of soft suede there. I'll get that out in a minute. And, ooh, what colour? I think that will fit over that one or that one. That's Merry Merlot. Oh, I wanted to put that in upside down. Oh, I hope it's all pop out. I'll come back to that in a minute. Let's do another one. Face up this time. Backwards and forwards a couple of times on the detailed dies. It just is a massive time saver because you can just go and everything's out, or pretty much everything is out. And then, oh no, I was going to cut out of that bit, no. And I fit that on there, possibly not. But I can fit that one, just about. Was that clear plate gone again? These clear plates need to not be clear. Can't see them. Somebody did show me once a hot pink cutting plate that had glitter in it, and I thought, I don't know if I really think that's gorgeous, or if I think that's bonkers. Oh, I got some grey out. Why did I get the grey out? Oh, I don't know. I don't know why I got that out. And I'm going to put everything back because those are little dies and I don't want to lose any of them. Right, so pop those bits out. And the last few of those, a couple there. And I'm just going to layer up and see what it looks like. I don't really know what it'll look like. We'll just have a play. And the never-ending mini glue dots are still in action. And I'm going to hide them behind those any larger sections. I think if I put enough on this, I might actually finally use up this roll. I was like this with tear and tape a couple of years ago, wasn't I? Last year? It seemed to go forever. And I possibly ought to have put that behind first, but oh well. We're not worried at all. And I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put my words, and apparently that bit, I just stuck that to that. How did that happen? So that onto there. It's not my day, is it? That onto there, and what shall I do to finish that off? So I've got some holiday rhinestones here, and these are the dark blue. And I think that's enough, because any more and it might not look right. And you could make 6, or you could make 5, and you could make a box with the 6th panel, and it would be absolutely fabulous. What do you think? I really like it. But totally, just on the spur of the moment, I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.